We are talking, what happened to your eyes? What do you, Ashley?
It fell out.
Oh my God, your eye, like her eyelid just freaked out. Okay, so we're talking, wait a minute, we have to, oh my gosh. How'd you do that? I don't even want to, we're not doing a tutorial on how to do that to your eyelids, folks, but we're talking about frizz, right? How to get rid of frizz and flyaways, and this goes for men and women. So what I'm going to do is two different techniques here to show Ashley's hair. One side I'm using my Dust dry shampoo, and dry shampoo is a lifesaver for situations like this. And then on the other side of her head, I'm going to be using my Sleek Serum, which literally, this is a very, very clean, smoothing serum with a few ingredients. It's got argan oil, avocado oil, Cape Rose geranium oil, which is a very, very, it's like a seasonal oil because it's only harvested from a flower at a certain time of the year. So this is an amazing ingredient in here. And it's pretty much, there's nothing really bad in it, and it's a great smoothing serum. I'm going to apply that on this side of her head. So you may not see this, but I am going to zoom in a bit closer so you can see some of the flyaways that she has. Another thing to keep in consideration is that the way you treat your hair, right, from the shampoo to the products you use. She has been using 25 spray and also my Clean and Condition shampoo set, which literally has transformed her hair. The 25 spray does help. It's got 25 benefits, so it does help fight static, which is a great thing. It does help smooth the hair a bit. It's not a smoothing serum, but it's really going to be helpful when you're prepping your hair and getting it ready. Also, the brushes that you use. So I've got my anti-static vent brush. You want to use something like that to kind of brush through the knots, all right? It's really going to help. If you use another type of brush, you may get a lot of static going on. So let's go in a little bit closer here on her hair and let's take care of these flyaways. This side, I'm going to use my Dust dry shampoo. So you want to shake it up a little bit. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spray it lightly. And I'm not going to touch a lot of it. I want to let the product settle in on her hair. Most of the times the flyaways are coming from this area, or the surface layer. Now I'm going to slowly and gently kind of work that product in with my hand, and as you can see, what's happening is the flyaways are definitely becoming a bit more tamed. Now, I'm not being rough with the hair at all. I'm not doing, you just really want to tame the hair like this. And that's what's really, really important. And what's going to happen is it's going to help so you're not over applying the product, but you can see it's like a night and day difference, okay? It's better to use your hand with the product in sync than to just dump a whole bunch of product on it. Now, on the other side, we're going to use my, once again, I mentioned this, the Sleek Serum. Sleek is a really, really great product here, and you don't need a whole lot of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pump just a small amount, not a whole lot, maybe like a dime size, if that. I'm going to work it through, and then lightly work it through my hands so it's ready to go. And here, it's the same thing. So I'm going to start down and through more of the mid shaft towards the ends this way, because what you don't want is you don't want to have a lot of oil or product towards the scalp, okay? So you want to work from the bottom up. And as you can see, once again, I'm lightly just coating, right? I'm coating the hair, and look how it's taming down those flyaways, right? It's also helping prevent from any frizz happening. The great thing about this product is it's not heavy at all. It's not going to get oily. You don't have to worry about it, because there are some products out there that have almost too many oils in them, and it's going to actually have the opposite effect. So right now what we're doing is we're taming, and the hair still feels very, very silky. Another great option is you can actually go back on the side where you used the dry shampoo, and then you can overlay it with the Sleek, because dry shampoos have a tendency to make the hair a bit matte. So if you wanted to, you can literally take your hand and you can spray your entire head with the dust dry shampoo, and then you can go over with the sleek. And again, see what I'm doing? I'm really just coating the hair and raking. I'm not shaking the hair vigorously or making it worse. I'm really trying to tame down the flyaways and the frizz. And last but not least, if you do want to seal the deal, you can use my locked hairspray right here, which is a kind of a workable medium hold, a matte finish hairspray, so it's not going to be adding any extra shine to it. And here you can go just right onto these areas, and her hair is basically transformed now. All the flyaways are gone from the scalp all the way down to the ends, and I think these are great tips that you're going to find helpful. I have many more videos on styling tips, on smoothing hair, so definitely check out the rest of my videos on my channel.